Hey guys, and welcome to another tutorial on this channel. And in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to change your cursors. So first thing you want to do is just type in mouse settings, so right here, and then just go on mouse settings right here, and then on in here just go to additional mouse options. So maybe some of you probably got the related settings like around here, but I got mine on here. So just click on that, then this pop-up will come out, then click on pointers, then yeah, so there's many different ones, but we want the cursor mainly. So I mean, if let me just use a default one just for an example, and then if I press apply it will change to that. But if I want to go on the normal select, then if I go on browse, then I mean, you could type in like any cursor, so just, I mean, for me, I'm just gonna type in the cross, and then I recommend you to choose that one because it's the correct size and all that. So yeah, just click on that, then press open, and it'll come up with the cross right here. So just apply and press OK. So this is, I mean, this cursor is really good. It's really good for like probably playing games or something like that. So so another thing, you could even change the cursor speed right here. So I got mine on 14 because I just, to make my cursor very smooth, and like, I feel like this is like my type of speed when like, moving it around, like getting to place quickly. So as well as there's another one called, you could adjust the mouse and cursor size. So I mean, there's the cursor size right here, but it's a bit too big. But some of you might have it like around the 2, or like probably a 6, maybe not a 6, like a 3 or something like that. But I recommend you to change it at that. And yeah, so this is like the perfect size right here. So let's go back. I mean, I don't know why I changed back to the normal one. So I changed it back to the normal one right here. So let's go back here, and you could change the pointer's color. So you could change it to white normally, or black, or black here, or I think, yeah, so I think this one just makes it like really black, no outlines. And so I think it's transparent right here. And then we could actually change like the cursor's color. So we could either change, we could we could use these selected colors right here given, or you could pick a custom color. So I mean, I guess you could go like around here, and then maybe if you want it to be dark right here, let's put about 65, then press done, then right here. So this could be your preferred choice of like the color of your cursor right here. So yeah, so the very, like, it just sort of like makes your display better. And and yeah, so it could be something you could show off as well. So yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure to subscribe and leave a like to the channel. Thank you.